I'm going to CSV file. I have shown you that how I can create a CSV file from the Excel with the help of Excel. Those the things I have shown you. Now here I'm going to show you this program where I'll going to create a simple Panda implementations and where I'll going to calculate the different scores are there has been given, and based on that I want to give some condition. Based on the condition the program will execute. Okay, so this particular program, based on the condition the program will execute to check the level. Now this import panda is PD. Now I have created the this is the dictionary has been created. Those the names are there. The scores are given. The qualifying attempt, how much scores, what levels has been given here. Then what it is, df equals to pd dot data frame. Okay, exam then index equals to level. Clear? Exam index equals to level, print df. Now print df, what will happen? Print df score more than 50. First the df data structure, this data frame, what this total has been converted into the data frame. Df equals to pd dot data frame. It has been converted into the data frame, and after converting into it into a data frame, then I am giving one condition that those the score which are more than 50. So score which are more than 50, they are to be shown. Okay, so this is what the simple structure where I need to check the value. See here now, those the values are there, values has been checked. Okay, so values has been checked, and as the values has been checked, what first has been done? First print df, that means data frame has been printed. So the total thing, this is one list, this is one list, this is one list, this is one list, or we can say this is one combination of a structure, this is one combination of structure. They are into data dictionary, and this dictionary has been converted into a data frame. Okay, so how to convert? Df equals to pt dot data frame, then what should be there? Exam, isn't it? What I am exam, then index equals to what? Index, what the level, what index by default, if I don't give anything, that means 0 1 2 3 4 will come. But if I say index equals to what, I am taking this level as an index, the level b c d e f g h i j. Okay, so those things I have taken as an index. So instead of 0 1 2 3 4, the index came here as a b c d e f g h. Why? Because I have this declared here that index equals to level. Now I have defined that score greater than 50, those the score which are greater than 50, those the value to be said. Now score greater than 50 is first what, 56, then 678, then 90, then 980, 9 and 91. Now why it is so? The question rises why it is so. First we know it that the thing will be done based on what? Based on its structure. Okay, what is a structure? Structure is that a b c d e f g h on this particular scenario, on this particular index, that means serial number based on the index, the value has been taken. So those the values has been taken based on the serial number, based on the index, that means alphabetical order based on the indexing. It has been an a, after that b, c, then d, then e, then f, then g, h, I. So based on this particular structure, the indexing has been done. As the indexing has been done based on this structure, what we can see is that this particular data frame or the data structures has been evaluated here with the different numbers. So you can see it that numbers are not in a serial form, but those the things are in a serial form, in an alphabetical form. Okay, this is what very important thing to be noticed. And one thing that I again need to focus it, that label has been given what, this pattern of questions you can find the previous CSV file. I have done for you CSV file. You can see the CSV structure has been given, the data structure has been given. It has asked you to do the CSV file. So from there it has been asked you to do the frame. So you have to do that particular program of CSV, or similar this where the checking has been given from a data dictionary, isn't it? So data dictionary, two pattern of programs I have shown you. So data dictionary, now from this data dictionary, how to convert the data dictionary into the data frame, and how to use it, how to do the checking. So these all things are been done. That means df, you will use the df pd.df to convert into the data frame, and then what you will do, you will do the df then score greater than 50, isn't it? So this is what, these are the two things that can be done and can be utilized after the thing is been in the use.